Imagine if you could use your skills to make a group of people more successful. Imagine if this group of people taught you things you wish you learned in class. Imagine if there was a club where you could build a race car and then actually race it. Welcome to Viking Motorsports, where we are in the business of building a quality race car and an exceptional team. You will apply classroom knowledge towards real-world problems, and Viking Motorsports will teach you the skills necessary to gain an edge in the industry. We want to make sure you have the tools to succeed, not only with Viking Motorsports, but also in your future career. You will work with students of different majors, interests, backgrounds, and skill levels. However, there is one trait we share here at Viking Motorsports: a drive to learn. And remember how we said we were an automotive racing club? You don't even have to know anything about cars to join. What you learn with us can be applied anywhere. You will leave Viking Motorsports prepared to take on any challenge with confidence. So, you're wondering, what exactly am I going to be doing? I'm not going to be making the whole car, right? We will explain everything in depth at our new member meeting, where we will also chat with you and answer your questions.
Where do you, the electrical and computer engineers, fit in? They say in dogfighting, if you survive your first 3 combat missions, you'll survive the war. So get your first designs done now, in school. That way you'll know what it takes to actually engineer something. And you'll survive your career. At Viking Motorsports, we work on real problems. How do I make sure the car shuts down if the throttle malfunctions? What data should I collect from the car? How do I store it? How do I process it? How do I transmit that data around the car? When you answer these problems, you'll choose the circuits, you'll find the components, and you'll design the PCB. But if that sounds daunting, don't worry. We have a lot of people who can help you out. And we need a lot of people. PCB design alone won't win races. The car needs programming and microcontrollers. We use CAN to send data around the car, integrated onto STM32 microcontrollers, which are like Arduinos but with 5 times the power. As you can imagine, we work with a lot of power. Our high voltage system runs at 300 volts DC. Our battery pack can output 260 amps. Combine that with a 100 horsepower motor the size of a dinner plate, and you're gonna have a good time. On this team, you'll learn solid industry skills. We asked as many electrical engineers as we could what would help students succeed in their careers. Then we built their suggestions into the way we work, so that you can apply what you'll learn to what you'll do. Part of that is our Altium sponsorship. Altium is the industry standard for schematics capture and PCB design. And as far as we know, we're the only club that'll teach it to you. But why learn any of this? I don't need any fancy graphs to show you that electric cars are the future. All I need to say is that all major car manufacturers are taking electric vehicles very seriously.